Did recent legislation address service members' challenges with equipment repair? Have you ever wondered how service members manage equipment repairs while serving? It turns out that recent legislation has made significant changes in this area. The Warrior Right to Repair Act of 2025 is a new bipartisan bill that directly tackles the challenges service members face with equipment repair. This law requires defense contractors to provide the Department of Defense with fair and reasonable access to technical data, software, tools, parts, and materials needed for repairs. Before this legislation, many defense contracts included terms that made it difficult for service members to repair their own equipment. They often had to wait for contractors to handle repairs, which could take a long time. For instance, Marines stationed in Japan had to ship engines back to the United States for repairs instead of fixing them locally. This not only delayed repairs but also increased costs, as contractors charged high fees for access to maintenance manuals. The Warrior Right to Repair Act aims to change this by extending the U.S. Army's existing right to repair policy to all military branches. This means that service members can now use their skills to maintain and repair equipment more efficiently. The legislation also requires a review of current contracts to remove any restrictions on repairs. Future contracts will need to guarantee repair access on terms similar to those offered to authorized repair providers. This change is expected to lower sustainment costs and improve operational readiness. By allowing small businesses and startups to participate in maintenance contracts, the competition will likely increase, leading to better services for the military. From the perspective of living in the armed forces, this legislation is empowering. It restores service members' ability to maintain and repair critical equipment directly. This not only enhances readiness but also supports the practical application of their technical skills in the field. The Warrior Right to Repair Act of 2025 represents a meaningful step toward addressing the long-standing issues with equipment repair that have affected service members' effectiveness and the military's operational capabilities.